clean this thing up so it's not. Who said you could take my picture?
Working on these old cars that nobody cares about.
Basically wasting my time.
Wasting time. All right, so we got our AFR gauge here we're gonna put in the truck. All 30,000 pages of instructions here. That did not come with it. Thanks a lot, AEM. $30 in ink right here. So basically we're just gonna install this and hopefully get an air-fuel ratio. You ready to weld there, Sparky?
Oh yeah, buddy.
All right, let's get to work. How the heck? This could be more challenging than I thought it was going to be. Wait, all it just says is more than 10 degrees, right? It doesn't say.
Oh fuck.
I mean, that's 90. Wait, can it be 10 degrees either way? I don't know. Okay.
Hey, you're the brainiac here.
This is going to be hard to weld, dude.
I don't know how you're gonna get the gun up there.
I don't know how we're gonna get the drill up there. You know what? These are really easy to take out. Should we just take it out? What do you think? Pop it out? Let's just pop it out.
Who cares? Safe.
What's not very safe? All right, hopefully this header comes out. Oh. Uh-oh. Try not to bend this. Yeah, 10 degrees. No. Oh. Alright, I don't need that. Rub. Alright, just come out.
Dude, you royally
stuck.
Get a hammer out.
I just put these in like yesterday.
Oh. Oh, brother.
I don't know, this sucks. Coming at you, buddy.
There we go.
No problem.
Let me just drop it somewhere now because I have one hand. Throw it.
I ruined the gasket though, it sucks.
Gotta make some sacrifices.
Gotta sacrifice. Looking pristine.
Worried about the
condition.
paint, dude. Frick.
Oh, dude. These took a beating. Alright, here, hang on a minute.
You look experienced.
I'm extremely experienced. Alright, hold that there.
Oh.
Last resort, get the instructions.
Walk of shame.
Walk of shame. Alright, look. Sensor must be installed greater than 10 degrees. Alright, we'll go a little less. Give me the pen. Grab me the Sharpie.
Dude.
All right, hold it straight. 90. Hold it 90.
Dude, what?
Hold it. Okay. So there's 90. So there's 10. So we're gonna go like 30. It says greater. You know what I mean? Right there. Right? Right. All right. Get our precision drill here. I don't know which way is which, but
Jesus.
it's all right.
Nice punch.
A drill. What do you think I'm doing? Easy.
There you go. Frick. You know, help there.
No problem. All right, what's next?
The stepper bit.
Probably go one more drill, huh?
No.
You don't think so?
Just get it done. Dude, walk faster.
How do we know how big to go?
Go until it fits.
Is the stepper gonna grab there?
Yeah.
Okay. So we want it like to that one. I don't know. I don't even know how to do this.
Real specific.
I'm saying we don't want to go past that for now.
Oh, dude, just send it.
Dude, that's precision right
Dude,
there.
what? No.
Yeah.
That's not how that works.
No, but it'll tell us at least.
Okay, whatever.
We don't want to go too far.
Stick it in.
Just drill it, huh?
Just drill it.
Yeah, stop messing around. Oh, my phone's gonna run out of storage.
Dude, we're 2 minutes in here. We're fine.
Okay.
3 minutes.
Exactly. Get this job done.
Dude,
instantly.
What the fuck am I watching? Dude, what are you doing?
What? I'm putting it in.
But why are you so deep? Oh my god.
Oh, perfect. All right. Spread out. Oh, dude.
Stop. Press straight, dude.
I am pressing straight.
Pressing crooked.
Hush.
Oh. I wanted a grinder, not a fucking bird pen.
Okay, it's not worth it.
Oh my god.
You do not need to film me.
We need something like this.
Yeah,
Where's
I
the
know.
tool for that? Oh, we got
quiet.
skill issues all over here. It fights faster. Jesus Christ.
You use this.
No.
That's a good for deburring.
No,
it.
but we don't care. We just want to get the paint off right now.
Well,
All right.
Try that thing up. Just do a small pack and see how it seems. Alright, that's good. How's it look?
Like a blob. It's not going in.
Oh, more heat.
More heat.
Okay, do E.
E.
Guy doesn't know.
No, this is.
Weld twice, practice once.
Oh. Flip this thing.
Why are you flipping?
Look at the other side. You gotta go from here.
Hang on. Alright, fire that puppy.
Oh, you're stepping on my toes.
Just weld it.
Oh, I can't see. Why is it so touchy?
Dude, you are such an amateur.
It's so freaking.
You need me to do it?
No.
At least you get what you pay for on the help.
Oh, what is that? That's awful. Those are some.
More wire speed.
Dude,
This is gonna be brutal.
What on earth? Oh, this butt's
Not ideal.
killing me.
Alright, try it
A lot
again.
of guys will take a piece of similar metal and go buy one.
No, Enzo doesn't want to do anything like
You want me
that.
to just weld it, dude? I'll
We'll
do
do
it.
it that the second time around.
Yeah, we'll just cut this part off.
Yeah, alright, go. Dude, you want to talk about someone who knows how to do their settings? It's me. Dude, that sounds like butter.
No, we're a little clippy.
No, it sounded pretty good.
It's a little round 26. Oh, man. Terrible angle.
Ow. Oh, right in the foot, dude. Thing's hot.
Oh, that looks terrible.
Where?
Dude.
Dude.
Good job holding it.
Jesus. What are you doing?
Brutal.
Okay, is there anywhere else?
Maybe there.
Where?
Dude, this is just
Huh?
awful.
No, the parts I did look pretty good.
Where did you do?
All right there.
Oh, sure.
I'm pretty happy.
Alright, get the wire.
Dude, that ain't
Buff
leaking.
this thing out, paint it.
No. Looks pretty good.
You're not gonna buff it and paint?
No.
I'm gonna get
For
get a
one, I'm
wire
out of
wheel?
paint.
Oh
huh?
my god, that's good. Alright, stop. I don't have gloves on.
There, that looks, well, it looks. How about that?
Alright, what do we got here?
Got our freshies.
Freshies, cause why? He snapped it? Alright. Dude, what is that? Screwdriver?
Wow, wasting a gas.
I didn't waste it, it broke.
So wasteful.
Oh, look at that, dude. America. Made in the USA.
With global materials.
Assembled in the USA from...
Dude,
Maybe it just
that
means...
plastic wrap came from USA.
Maybe it's just imported.
Yeah.
Bought in the USA.
Oh, just break that one in half real quick.
Dude, these are thick. These are units.
Yeah, show the thickness. Show the girth.
Girthy.
Dude, I can't see that.
I wonder which
Oh,
side
wow.
goes on the header and which side.
What, is there a difference?
No. Well, kind of. All right, let go before you break. Oh! What are you doing? All right, Jesus, dude.
I gotta show the camera. I can't. Hold on.
It's totaled. All right, I'm putting the other one. There's no point in. Jesus.
Hey, it's all on camera.
What are you doing? All right, stand back, dude. Don't even look at this one. Let this guy look at something for 1 minute and the gasket's total. Shining.
Dipstick time.
Probably no oil in it anyways. Throw the spark plugs back in. All right, Sparky, throw in the AFR gauge.
All right, we'll hit the linkage real quick here.
Better not hit that
Beautiful
linkage.
10-degree angle.
It just said, all it said was more than 10. And that's more than 10, let me tell you. Dude, I can't see anything. Big ass hands in the way. You even know what you're doing here?
It's not a BMW.
No. This guy's a BMW master. When it comes to anything else, just don't even ask.
All right, where's your...
Are we tight?
wrench? No, we're not tight. Fucking finger loose here. What?
Dude, good enough.
All right.
Good enough. What are you doing? Getting a wrench? Oh, no way that's gonna fit, dude.
You think it's a 17? Or
Try it.
No way, dude.
Bigger?
Shot, dude.
Oh, I know what size it is. Hang on a minute. All right, you cannot say monkey, dude. That is just racist. Yeah. Aha. It's this size. All right, throw that in there.
Oh, what is that? I can get Ace from it?
No, it's like the best one we have. It's like really good. Tighten her up.
Oh.
You don't need to crank it. It just needs to be snug. Snug. S-N-U-G.
You have a washer you want to compress a little, don't you?
I have no clue. I did not read the directions.
Good thing you printed them out, though.
Yeah, exactly. Wasted all that money in ink. All right.
What do
That's
you mean
good.
all right? We got to test the welds.
All right, stop. That's tight enough. Tight
All
enough.
right.
All right, we're looking good.
All right, this fire's just a little bit.
All right, so we know he can't weld, but can he drill anything? So go in the front of that, but below those screws. No, in the front, Go up front. Away from the screws because that's where it's bolted to the pan. We don't want to drill a hole in the floor. All right, you got it? All right, that's probably good.
Oh.
Dude, that looks
You
professional.
got a big connector.
But the big connector doesn't have to go through. Just the little one.
Bigger than a little.
No, look. Evan, it's just this. All that has to go through is this, dude. The thing's
Why do you have
tiny.
pillows in here? What are you doing?
You know.
Taking a nap?
Oh, dude, perfection. Look at that. This guy knows what he's doing.
Where's the other wire?
Doesn't matter. All right.
We don't get two.
I know. But the other one doesn't go through. The other one doesn't go through the floor. It just goes into the back of the gauge. Let me plug you in underneath. Dude, show how well that gauge fits in there. We can plug it in later. Just... Oh. Beauty. All right, install that thing, dude. Plug and play. All right, wait, no, leave the wires. Just screw it in, dude. We can always put wires in.
No. Doing. The angles here. My goodness. Okay. Look at that big black gauge.
All right. Get the directions.
All right. Time for reading time.
Color, red. Switch 12-volt source. Okay, that's easy. Black, ground. Everything else says optional, so we're not installing it. Don't even worry. So we need...
Ow.
We need to take a trip to the wiring.
No, we don't.
Yes,
Just
we do.
Keep working here.
What am I supposed to do?
Oh,
You get
you
your
hit my
popcorn?
popcorn, dude.
Hey guys, gotta look at something. It says heat.
All right, what are we doing here? Yeah, you need to turn the car and heat it up.
Oh, heat. All right. Yes, sir.
Oh, Lord.
Oh.
Not good.
Fail.
Jinx, dude.
I don't know what the hell's going spike. That's not good. We need to fix that. Look at the gauge. So that's about right. We're at about 14 to 1 at idle. 13, 14 to 1. But it goes lean when we hit the gas, which is not ideal. Okay, so how we're gonna
Get back up,
yeah, back up, buddy.
Hey, I'm falling.
So how we're gonna compensate for that little lean spike as soon as you hit the throttle is we're gonna put a bigger squirter in it. So let's see here. What we're not gonna do is drop anything right down into the carburetor. Right?
Is what you think.
What we think. So it's currently got 31 squirters in it. We're gonna put, I believe they're 31s. I can't even fucking read those. Blind as a bat. Whatever it's got, we're putting bigger ones in. We're gonna not drop those gaskets
Womp womp.
down into the carburetor. Oh, the gasket actually came off with some aluminum. That's nice. Okay, so is there not a gasket there? I guess there is. So what we've got here is, if you can read that, into the squirter there, it's stamped in 31.
Dude, you're all sideways.
Here, you can show them. And we're gonna stick in some 35s, which are a little more aggressive. And hopefully fix that lean spike when we mash on the throttle.
Oh, buddy. Right.
What?
Blurry.
Blurry? We want one gasket up top. Just like that. Okay. Where's that other one? Does the gasket just bend? It must just bend. Actually, I've never done this before. See how it just bends? I guess that's how it's supposed to be. And then that goes like that. I'm gonna stick that onto here. And we're just gonna kind of snug it in. Not loose, but not tight. Okay, so we put a 35 in the primary, and we're gonna throw a 35 in the secondary too. So we don't want to drop those down into the carburetor, so we'll stick those there. And we're gonna pull out the old ones, hopefully very carefully. We've got the gasket on there, so that's good. So we'll put the old ones back in the box. Sorry. All right, we'll stick this new one in here. Be very careful not to drop anything down in the carburetor. Just snug them up. Now, hopefully, when it's idling and you step on the gas, it's not gonna try and go lean now. I think that was a big problem we were having. Okay. This gauge works better than I thought it was going to.
How much?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't remember. It's idling, no oil pressure, that's alright. Yeah, we don't need that. You don't need right, so change number. What change number are we on?
26.
Huh?
26.
26. We're gonna take our cam here, and what this does is it adjusts how quickly the carburetor is going to shoot in fuel into the motor.
Bad.
Huh?
Bad battery's done.
Oh, this one's split, dude. What? This is brand new.
So you get on these big jobs.
And fail. Oh, that's nice, Holly. Brand new $1,200 carburetor and it's fucking split open. How is that like happening? This thing takes forever. Whoa! Why is it so lean? Oh, look at that. Lean spot went away. Oh, there we go. It's idling a little lean. See when not bad. That's lean. Or is it rich? I don't know. Go for a drive. What's it like? Stop! So it's idling a little fat. Show me idle. Oh, whoa. It's like 13-1, so we'll adjust that.
Nice seat belts.
Ugh. Not easy to turn.
Oh. Peasants.
Definitely running pretty rich. 12 and a half. That's pretty good though. A lot better than it did. Definitely fat though, at 12 and a half. These are cool, I like these.
Yeah?
Yeah. Huh? Little bumpy?
Oh, fuck.
Little bumpy.
Oh, brother. Dude.
Not exactly an off-roader.
Oh,
Flash a little water into the carburetor. It'll be
Yeah.
perfect. So we need to put smaller jets in the carb because it's running rich.
So it wasn't the jets, just the cam?
What?
It wasn't the jets?
Well, the cam adjusts how much fuel it squirts in when you snap the throttle. The jets are when you're the constant amount it's putting in. All right, keep an eye on the gauge.
What?
Keep an eye on the gauge. So I noticed that when you get into the secondaries, it starts to get a little lean. Right there, it pops because it's getting lean.
So what's lean?
I think the secondary cam needs to be adjusted. Look at the temp, dude. It runs so cool. And it's lean right there. Why was it lean?
Okay.